Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have an unboxing. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is check it out, click on the link, and see what goodies they have to offer. And hopefully you guys had a good day. I think I already said it. And here we go. This is coming from NewQ. Ooh. Bada boom. USB-C dock and stand. These are really nice. So we got a holiday rush going on. Black Friday deals going on. So you might want to start looking into stuff like this. For college and whatnot. For your small business. For your social media, TikTok and all that. Hopefully it's still around. So here we go. These are always cool though. I have a couple already that I do use. Here we go. NewQ is a Q. Here we go. Take your work on the go. You never know. Alright, we got emptied. Here we go. We got some goodies in this box. About USB cables. I do have a tablet I could test out. Cables, yeah, see? USB-C. Boom, boom, boom. And we got the manual. Easy peasy. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Fancy. Oh, it swivels. Oh, baby. Look at that. That's a beauty. Ethernet, HDMI, headset. So you could do some mobile gaming on your laptop or your iPads. Anyway, there we go. This on backwards. Ooh. Put you guys down a sec. Really nice carbon fiber slip guard kind of for your tablet. They got right here. Really nice. USB. It's all about the swivel. It's like an old school alarm clock. Remember those days? I don't think some of you don't, but some of us do. That's what we had to do. Do. We got this tablet going here. All we gotta do is plug it there. Do. Oh yeah. Now. Wow, there's a lot of. Hold on, I didn't see the side. We got everything. SD card. USB, SS. Dang. This is fully stocked. Here's the bottom. Got the non-slip guards there too. Oops. Dang. That's fancy. See how I gotta do? Oops. Camera. And like I said, once you plug this in, you can have it run into your laptop or your computer monitor. All that good stuff. Plug it in. Here we go. Or you could do this. Alright. And we're good to go. We are juiced up. And like I said, it's like a Mini, kind of like a mini PC-ish. But you can do everything. HDMI, hook the cords up. You're good to go. So definitely check these guys out. And you guys will be very happy with this purchase. So, and also check, let's see what other goodies they have. You never know. Great stocking stuffers for this holiday season. But look at that. You can have it fully on the go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.